Yeah, a very good evening to one and all. Hope you are able to hear me. So use the chat box for communication. Yeah, fine, sir. Fine. Good. Good, sir. Okay, fine. So, as part of our yesterday's session, we just focused on how to interact with the Oracle database using various approaches. So, the first approach, we are interacting with the database using what? SQL star plus prompt, which is on the command line interface, sir. Okay. In order to communicate with the Oracle database, from the Oracle database, the first approach is what, sir? Using one CLI tool. CLI tool means command line interface tool, sir. What is that? The tool name? SQL star plus, sir. SQL star plus is what? Nothing but the command line interface tool, which helps to communicate with what? Oracle database, guys. That is the first option, sir. And I also given you the sort of steps to connect with the SQL star plus prompt to the Oracle database. So using the connect word, and then you need to supply like as in the say username and password, and then you will be the getting as in what? Connected, sir. Okay. And you can view that the current logged user and of currently logged user of an Oracle database as in what? Show users. Okay. Show users, sir. Show user that will display like as in the what? The current user of an the database. And if you wanted to select all the users which are if you wanted to verify what are the users are there in our database, means you can write this one SQL command, sir. Select star from all underscore users, sir. Okay. Yes. Okay, guys. Yeah. Yes. Okay then. And if you want to clear the screen, you can use this command, sir. CL space SCR, clear screen. Okay. If you wanted to clear the history of the previous commands which you have done in the prompt, you can use that the CL space SCR. That is a clear screen, sir. Clearing the screen of previous commands. And if you want to exit out of the exit from the port, exit from the prompt means you can use what? Exit command, sir. Using like as an exit command, you can get out from where? So SQL prompt, sir. This is the first approach to interact with the database. What is the second approach, sir? What is the second approach to interact with the Oracle database? Using web page. Using like as in the web page, sir. Okay. When you open, when you completed the installation, okay. When you complete that installation, sir, when you complete the Oracle 11G Express edition in your mission, Okay, you will be the getting as in the one web page, sir. Okay, by default that web page will not be the open for you guys. Okay, by default that web page will not be open for you. So this is what an existing URL you have, and I also given you some sort of steps how to change that URL to the how to change like as in the URL to open that web page successfully in this manner. Understand, sir? So after getting into this page, so what option I need to navigate here, guys? Which option I need to select out of this four? Can you guys please confirm on it? Can you guys please confirm which option I need to click on here? Either I need to click on storage, or either I need to click on sessions, either I need to click on parameters, either I need to click on application express. So you just need to click on what? Application express, sir. Okay, so once you click on that expression, once you click on that application express, what you need to do, you need to supply the DBA, database administrator username and password, sir. Okay, as I already shown you during the installation of an Oracle. Okay, so we just provided the password of DBA account, right? So that password you guys need to remember, sir. That password you have to use here in the screen. Understand? The username will be what? System. And the password means whatever the password you have provided during the installation. Okay, that password you have to provide here, sir. So what is our username for the DBA account? System, sir. What is the password of that system account? Manager. Okay, this manager password I given through the installation process, right? Yes, just I given that username and password, click on the login button. Okay, then. So we got some home page here. Okay, if you wanted to create a new user, sir, you can create the new user. If you are already having an account, means you can click on this page. Understand, sir? After logging into the DBA account, there is an option for you. Already have an account means you can click on the login here, sir. Understand, sir? Once you click on that the login, yesterday we created the two user accounts. One is Rajesh account, another one is what? Mahesh account, sir. Both Rajesh account and the Mahesh account. So password is what? Ashok IT. Okay. So I'm just logging into what? Rajesh workspace, sir. I'm just clicking onto the what? I'm just getting into what? Rajesh workspace. Okay. Just click on the login button, sir. Okay. Yes. After getting into this screen, could you please tell me which option I need to navigate to which option I need to select to pass the SQL statements to the Oracle database? Come on, guys. Yeah. Which option, sir? Which option, sir, I need to select? SQL workshop, sir. SQL workshop menu option I need to select. After that SQL workshop, I need to go with what? SQL workshop here itself. So there isn't the prompt here for you. Okay, under the SQL workshop, you need to go with what? SQL commands, sir. SQL commands. Okay, got it, sir. SQL command. You can write like as in the commands. Select star from EMP semicolon, sir. Okay, I'm just retrieving the employee table, sir. Could you please tell me employee table information by default we are getting along with the database software installation? Are we created this table manually? Whatever the table, okay, whatever the table we are seeing right now, that table we got from the Oracle software installation process or not? Yes. Yes, sir. Whatever the table we are getting right now, by default, it is getting from the Oracle database, sir. We did not created this table manually, and we did not inserted any kind of data into this table as well. Understand, guys? Whatever the table we got with the Oracle database, that table of information we are retrieving here. What is another table, sir? Select star from DPT, sir. DPT. EMP and DPT, these two tables are came from the database software installation, sir. Understand my point, sir? Understand my point? So immediately the question may get into your mind, sir, is it possible? Is it possible to use this Rajesh account and Rajesh account as an username and Ashok it as on the password in the SQL command line or not, sir? Happily, sir. Happily you can. Happily you can, sir. Understand? Hope you are able to see the command line prompt, SQL command line prompt. Yes, sir. Okay. So immediately the question may get into your mind. Okay. So we are able to retrieve the data from this table using web page. That should be the fine, sir. Is if it possible, how can, so there is an, if you want to create any database object, if you guys wanted to create any database object through the web page, what is an option I need to select here? Can you guys please confirm? Can you guys please confirm? If I wanted to view the database objects information, okay, database objects information, what option I need to select, sir? Object browser, sir. Object browser. Okay, in that object browser, whatever the options you are seeing right now on the drop down, those options are, each option we can consider as an what? Database objects, sir. Okay, database objects, whatever the options you are seeing right now on the drop down, each option will be considering as an what? Database object, sir. Okay, in the Oracle, tables are nothing but an one database object, views are nothing but an one database object, indexes, sequences, packages, stored procedures, stored functions, triggers, materialized view, synonyms, and all these are nothing but an, so database objects are there in the Oracle. Okay, sir, through the web page, if you wanted to create a table, you can create it, sir, by using this navigation. Understand, guys? By using this navigation, you can create like as in the table, you can create like as in the database object. You can create any database object from the web page itself. If you want to create a table, you can create here. If you want to create a view, you can create the view here itself. If you want to create a stored procedure or stored function, you can create it from here itself, sir. Okay. Hope you guys are comfortable or the importance of this user interface. Come on, guys. Hope you guys are comfortable. Importance of this user interface or not? Yes, sir. Good. Sounds good. Okay, sir. So, sir, we created like as in the two accounts on yesterday. One account is what? Rajesh account. Another account is what? Mahesh account, sir. Okay. So in a project development, could you please tell me database administrator will be the only the one or more than one? Can you guys please confirm? Database administrator will be only the one person or more than one person, sir? Only one person, sir. In a project development, the DB related activities will be maintained by the database administrator, sir. That database administrator will be only the one person, sir. So can we have like as in more than one database developer, sir? Can we have more than one database developer? Yes, definitely. We are going to have more than one database developer, sir. Okay, more than one database developer, sir. For each database developer, we will be giving some workspace for that. Understand, sir? Each database developer, so can able to work his space, sir. Understand? So what are the two developers we created the two accounts on the yesterday, right? One is Rajesh account, another one is what? Mahesh account, sir. Okay, so from the web page itself, I am able to log into that respective the accounts, and I am able to view the, okay, I am able to view the tables information, and I am able to create like as in the tables as well through the web page. That should be the fine. Immediately the question may get into our mind, sir. Okay, immediately the question may get into our mind, sir, you showed us like how to connect to the database using SQL prompt. So is it possible to connect to this an account through the command line interface or not? Happily, sir, you can. Okay, I just switch it to the command line prompt and just using like as in the connect word. Okay, I'm just using like as in the connect word. Okay, and then what is the username, sir? I would like to log into the Ashok account, sir. Okay, sorry, Mahesh account. Okay, so I'm going to provide like as in the username as in what? Mahesh, sir. Okay, username as in what? Mahesh, and the password Ashok IT. So the database got connected, sir. Database got connected. Okay, so can I get the table information of DPT from here or not? Happily, sir. Happily, you can get the department table information. Okay. Happily, you can get employee table information as well. Understand, sir? Understand or not? See, sir, 14 employees information are there. So you can just format issue is there. Okay. I'm just setting line size as 300 and see, sir, clear screen. Select star from employee table. Okay. Select star from department table. So see, sir, if you closely observe here in the Oracle, the data will be managed in the database in the form of what format, sir? Two-dimensional format or not? Two-dimensional format or not? Two-dimensional format means nothing but on rows and columns. How many rows are there in the EMP table and department table? How many rows are there in the EMP table, sir? 14 rows are there. How many rows are there in the department table? 4 rows are there, sir. Okay. How many columns are there in the department in the EMP table? Come on, guys. How many columns are there in the EMP table, sir? 8 columns are there. In the department table, how many columns are there? 3 columns are there. Correct or not? So means the data will be organized in the Oracle database in the form of what? Rows and columns. Nothing but on tabular format, sir. Okay. Yes. 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 Hope you guys are comfortable or not. Whether you are able to log in, DBA account. Okay. Whether you are able to log in the DBA account and the database developers account through the web page as well as command line interface or not. Okay. Ultimately, my point is what you can log in the, okay. See here, guys. Okay. As part of our today's session, see here, sir. In the today's session, okay, the first point, sir, the first point, we need to we can able to log in. Okay, we can able to log in the DBA account. DBA account is nothing but on what? System. Okay, system, and then manager password, sir. So we can able to log in the DBA account either in a web page, or SQL command line into SQL star plus CLI tool, sir. SQL star plus CLI tool. Command line SQL star plus client application. We can say. We can able or not? Tell me, guys. We can able to log in the DBA account either from web page as well as what? SQL star plus client application or not? Yes. Yes. And the second point, sir, we can able to log in the database developers account. Okay, database developers accounts. What are those accounts, sir? We have. So one is a Mahesh account and then followed by what? Ashok IT password. Another account is what? Rajesh account. Okay, the password is what? Ashok IT, sir. Okay, so we can able to log into the database developers account either in a web page or what? SQL star plus client application. Right or not, guys? Right or not? If you are already have an account, just you need to open this an account, sir. Open this URL. Okay, just you need to copy this URL. Okay, just copy this URL, sir. You can copy this URL and paste into your browser window. Then it will open you that window, sir. Understand, sir? Go to the home. Just go to the logout. Click onto the login. So see here, sir. You got this page or not? This page you need to bookmark it, sir. Okay, bookmark this page. Understand? Bookmark this page and you can able to log in here. That's all. Okay. Hope you guys are comfortable up to now. The points, whatever I have covered, the two approaches to interact with the Oracle database. Come on, guys. Any doubts, any issues so far? Hope everyone got installed successfully the database in your missions. I need a response from everyone, sir. Everyone completed the database software installation. Am I right? Done. I also given you the solutions for the issues, commonly occurred issues. So I already provided the solution as well. Okay. If you are getting this kind of an issue while you are installing, just you need to switch to the command prompt and delete the service. That is the first option for you, sir. Okay. And the second option is what? Second commonly occurred problem is what, sir? So TNS destination host unreachable. So for that, first you need to verify whether the services is running or not. Okay, if it is not running means you just enable it and verify that login. That is the first option. Okay, if it is still running but you are not able to connect means then you need to open this file. In the Oracle database software installation folder, you need to open this file and you need to change that service name from XE to ORCL, any characters or any 3 character or 4 character. That should be the fine. Okay. Okay, then that is the second option, sir. Even if you are fixing this one, you are not able to connect to that database means just you need to verify whether your system is enabled with the firewall or not. If it is enabled means just disable it and try once. Even though if you followed these 3 steps and not able to log in means you need to uninstall the Oracle database software completely from your machine and then run the CC cleaner program with registry clean. Okay, so run the CC cleaner with registry clean, sir. Then you are able to install the things. Sir, please once again told how I am logging the user account in the SQL command line prompt. Okay, sure. We'll see. Yeah, so far everyone is good to install the Oracle database in your missions. That should be the good, sir. What is the reason of Oracle created the 2 options of DB and users, sir? Sir, as I already told you in the project development, so as a developer, you cannot have an option to do everything on the database. Okay, everything, database related activities will be monitored by the one and only the person called DBA person, sir. Okay, yes, everyone doesn't have any right to do some kind of an operations on the database. Understand, sir? So when you are working with the banking projects, okay, so as a database developer, you can have only the read access. You do not have an write access for you. Why? Because means that write operation should be done through DBA person, sir. Okay, the DBA person get to know what would be the impacts will be there on your query execution. Okay, yes. Users cannot commit. Yeah, users, that's what I'm trying to say. Database developers cannot commit. Cannot commit means you do not have the right operation. You do not have the right operation, sir. You are going to have a read operation only. That's all. You are just selecting the data from the database. You are not able to do the position of an inserting or updating or deleting. So that can be done through DBA person. Okay. Yes. Clear, guys, everyone? Okay, then fine, first. Okay, then fine. Okay, sir. Yeah. Then I'm going to talk about approach 3. So as of now, we just connected with the Oracle database using 2 approaches. One is a command line interface. Another one is what? Web page, sir. So what is the third approach, sir? What is the third approach? Using GUI tool, sir. Using what tool? GUI tool. We can interact with the Oracle database by using graphical user interface, sir. By using what? Graphical user interface tools. Okay, graphical user interface tools means what? Nothing but the GUI tools, sir. Okay, so graphical user interface. So you can create any database object. through graphical objects, sir. Okay, you can create any database object, or you can create an user. Okay, you can create a table, you can create a sequence, you can create a stored procedure, or you can create a stored proc by using what? Graphical objects, sir. That graphical objects will be provided by whom? The graphical user interface tools, sir. Okay, so in order to interact with the Oracle database, okay, so we have some graphical user interface tools, sir. We have some GUI tools. What are those? Oracle SQL developer tool, sir. What is that tool, sir? Oracle SQL developer tool. Toad for myself, Toad for Oracle, Toad for Oracle, Toad for Oracle, sir. Okay, yes. So these are the two graphical user interfaces for what? Oracle database. Oracle database. Understand, guys? Okay, we can interact with the Oracle database by using what? Graphical user interface tools, sir, GUI tools, and also we can interact. So we can interact. Okay, in order to interact with the Oracle database, we have some GUI tools available in the market, such as what? SQL developer tool and the Toad for Oracle as well, sir. Okay, Gangaraju, please, sir, Gangaraju, what is your doubt, sir? Please explain with the live examples why we are using and how it will be useful for us further by maintaining the connectivity, sir. Sorry, sir, Gangaraju, can you tell me the exact question? What would be the exact question for you? Okay, I will give you an unmute option for you at the end of the session. You can interact with me, sir, so that will answer your question. Okay, sir. So see, sir, that is the third option, sir. That is the third option, sir. You can interact with the Oracle database by using what? Graphical user interfaces, sir. So some of the graphical user interface tools are available in the market, such as what? SQL developer tool and Toad for Oracle as well. Understand, guys? So you can download. Okay, you can download what? So Oracle SQL developer, sir. Go to the Google. Okay, go to the Google and search for what? Oracle SQL developer tool, sir. Oracle SQL developer download. Okay, sir, Oracle SQL developer tool from where? Oracle Corporation. Oracle Corporation company is given that a GUI tool, sir, to interact with what? Oracle database. Okay, yeah, I'm just clicking on it, sir. Okay, first click on it. Okay, yes. Yes. So see, sir, if you guys observe carefully, according to your operating system, you need to download the Oracle SQL developer, sir. If you are working with an Windows operating system with a 64-bit means you can download this one, sir. Okay, this is a zip file, sir. This is nothing but the zip file. Understand? If you are working with Windows 32-bit or 64-bit means you can download this one. Okay, yes. So this is the second, sir. If you are working with Mac, sir, you are working with the Mac, you can go with this any one of these options, sir. If you are working with the Linux, you can download the rest of other operations. Understand, guys? Linux. Okay, yes, this is what the thing, sir. Okay, sir, Oracle SQL developer version is what? 22.2.1, sir. This is the version, sir. Okay, so for you guys need to download this one, sir. Windows 64-bit with JDK 11 included, sir. The point here is, in order to, so SQL developer software is built on top of Java software, sir. That's why, so when you are downloading this software, okay, when you are downloading this Oracle SQL developer software, okay, you will be the getting as an what? JDK 11 included, sir. Why? Because means to run the SQL developer software of 22, it requires what? Java 11 version, sir. Okay, that will be an included as part of this download. Okay, click on it, accept the license, and just download the things. Okay, just download the things, sir. Okay, yes, sir, definitely to download such a thing, sir, to download the things from the Oracle, definitely you need to have an account with the Oracle, sir. Then only you are able to download the Oracle products. Understand, guys? Then only you are able to download the Oracle products, sir. Understand, guys? 1 minute, sir. Let me show you that one. Okay, yeah. So go to this one. Okay, Oracle. Just go to the Google. Just go to the Google and search for what? Oracle SQL Developer download, sir. Oracle SQL Developer download. Yeah, click on it. Okay, click on it. Okay, yeah, just download that one. Accept the license. Okay. Okay, yeah, click on it, sir. I already I already registered one account with Oracle, sir. So that I'm going to download that things. Okay. So just download onto the desktop, sir. Download onto the desktop. Understand, guys? Just click on it. Okay. Yeah. So observe carefully, guys. It is downloading, sir. Okay. It is downloading. Okay. So it is like as in the 444 MB of software, sir. You just need to download that SQL developer tool from Oracle Corporation website. So in order to download the SQL developer, make sure you need to have an account with what? Oracle, sir. Then only you can download the Oracle products basically. Understand my point, sir? Okay, I already have an account with the Oracle. That's why I'm able to download the SQL developer tool here. Okay. Yes. I'm going to show, I am going to give you that link, sir. Just a minute. Okay. Yeah, you can sign up, sir. You can sign up an account. That's all. Okay. You are already sign up with multiple accounts. So you can sign up with multiple websites, right? At the same process here as well, you need to do. Okay. Yeah. Yes, sir. That you can use it, sir. If you're already having an account with the Oracle to download the Java softwares, that account you can reuse it, no problem, sir. Because Java is also the under the Oracle license, right? Okay, Java is also under the Oracle license. Okay, same account you can reuse for downloading the SQL developer. That should be the fine. Yes, the download got completed, sir. The download got completed. So observe carefully, sir. This is what like as in the zip folder we got. This is what the zip folder we got, sir. Okay. So just extract this folder, sir. So extract to SQL developer. Okay. Just extract to SQL developer tool. This is the folder it is getting to extracting. Yeah. So using like as in the WinZip software or 7-zip software, you can extract that zip folder to normal folder, sir. Whatever the zip file we got downloaded from the Oracle Corporation of SQL developer, just you need to extract that one, sir. Yogesh, whatever the problem you have, okay. So whatever the problem you have, just you can go through this the solution, sir. Okay, just verify whether that services is running or whether that whether that services is running or not. Verify that one, sir. 1 minute. So just verify whether these services are running or not in your mission. If not, then you can enable it and run it. Then your problem will solve. Yogesh, for your problem, you will. This is what the solution for you. Okay. Yes. Sunil Kumar, what is that one? Java and the both. Sir, Oracle is not a platform independent, sir. Oracle is not a platform independent. Okay. Yeah. So because Oracle database is offering like as in the Oracle database software is offering like as in the different versions for the different platforms, right? Okay. Yes, sir. So the zip folder got extracted here. The zip folder got extracted here. Just open that folder, sir. Go to the SQL developer. There is an the icon will be there. SQL developer icon will be there, sir. Okay. Observe carefully, sir. After extracting this into the normal folder, just open that folder, get into that SQL developer folder, and there is an icon called what? Application icon called what? SQL developer. Just double click on it, sir. Just double click on it. Just double click on it. It will open like as in the SQL developer tool for you, sir. Okay. This is what the SQL developer tool will be opening for you. Whatever the version we have downloaded, the same version we are opening the SQL developer. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So observe carefully, sir. Earlier, I have installed with some other version of Oracle SQL Developer. It is asking me, would you like to import the preferences from the previous SQL Developer? No, sir. No. I would like to go with the new preferences for this version. Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Yes. The Oracle SQL Developer got opened or not for you guys? Come on, guys. The Oracle SQL Developer got opened or not? Yes. So welcome page, sir. This is what like as in the welcome page. You can close that welcome page. No, not a issue. Okay. You can whatever the page we got when you're opening this SQL developer tool, that is called welcome page. You can close that welcome page, no problem at all, sir. On the left hand side, there are the two panels are there. One is connections panel, another one is what? Reports panel, sir. Under that connections panel, there is in the plus icon is there. That is the new connection. Okay. So under that the connections panel, what is the next one? What is the first one, sir? The new connection, sir. Just click on it. Just click on the new plus icon, green color plus icon, sir. You can provide the connection name, sir. Okay. You can provide the connection. You just need to provide like as an what? DBA user. So DBA connection. I can say it as an what? DBA connection, sir. Sir, you can give the connection name as your user defined. You can provide the connection name as a user defined, sir. Whatever the name you would like to provide, you can do it. So this is nothing but an DBA connection, sir. DBA underscore connection. What is the DBA username and password, guys? Can you guys please confirm what is the DBA username and password? What is the DBA username and password, guys? DBA. So when you are installing the Oracle, so you got the username as in the default and password you have given, right? System, sir. Okay. DBA. I'm asking you the DBA user account and password, sir. Okay. Sir, this name is user defined. Okay. It's up to your wish. Whether you want whatever the name you want to provide. If you want to give some kind of color to this connection, you can give it. Red color I am given, sir. Okay. So username, sir. Username is what? System, sir. Okay. And the password is what? Nothing but a manager, sir. So save password. So when you're connecting to this DB, it never asks you the password again. When you check this checkbox, it never asks you the password again. When you open this connection, it will automatically connect. Understand? And see, sir, and the host name is local host. Right now, the database, Oracle database available in your local machine, right? That's why it is using as an what? Local host, sir. And the default port number is 1521. Keep as it is. And the SID is nothing but an XE. That should be the fine. So, and click on the test button, sir. Test button. What you get, sir, here? Success you got. whatever the inputs you have supplied here, that inputs are valid. So we are able to connect it to what? Oracle database. If you are get like as in the success message, then you can connect it to that database. So see sir, on the left hand side under the connections panel, so you got like as in the new connection or not with red color? You got like as in the new color or not, sir? You got the new connection with the red color or not? Yes. So now once you got the new connection got created, once the new connection got created, sir, you can create a worksheet, sir. You can open the new worksheet for writing the commands on the database. If you expand this connection, sir, you can, if you expand this connection, whatever the database objects are there, that database objects information, you can list it. You can see the tables information, and you can see what views information, what are the views we got along with the database, what are the packages we got from the database, and what are the stored procs we got from the database, and what are the stored procedures we got from the database. All the database objects related information, you can find it from here, sir. Okay, sir, that is fine, sir. We are able to see the things here as it is, whatever the things we have seen in the web page. Okay, now I wanted to write some queries, sir. Now I wanted to write some queries using SQL Developer. How can I write those queries, sir? So right click on the connection, right click on the connection. There is an option called what? Open SQL worksheet, sir. There is an option called what? Open SQL worksheet. So in that Open SQL worksheet on the right hand side, the connection name will be there. You can write your queries here. Right click on it, just toggle the line numbers. Okay, so see here, select star from EMP. Yes. So in the system account, do we have the EMP table, sir? Do we have the EMP table here? Can you guys please confirm? Do you have the any EMP table? Right? You do not have the any EMP table. So how can I select the current date? Sysdate from dual. Sysdate from dual. Semicolon. Okay. Control A. There is an arrow button is there here. Control A for what? Selecting the SQL statement. To run the SQL statement, you need to click on what? Run statement. That's all. You are getting the database, current date of the database or not? Come on, guys. You are getting like as in the current. Yeah. I will increase the font size, sir. Just wait for a minute. Just wait for a minute, sir. I will increase the font size. Okay. So there is an option where we need to go. So go to the tools, preferences. Okay. Environment. Okay. 1 minute. So just go for the tools, preferences, and fonts, sir. Okay. You can increase the size of the font, sir. You can go with what? 16. Or you can go with what? 14. That should be the fine. Okay. 14 is also not enough. Huh? So just go for the tools, preferences, and search for the fonts, and go for the 16 or 18. That should be the fine. Click on it. Okay. Yes. Clear? Sir, dual, I will tell you, sir. I will tell you what is the dual in the coming sessions. As of now, for the time being, you are just selecting the date value from the dual table. Okay. As of now, for the time being, you're just selecting the date value from the dual table, sir. Okay, sir. Yes. Fine, sir. We are able to connect the DBA account here. We are able to connect like as in the DBA account, sir. Okay. Sir, is it possible to create a new connection for the database developer as well? Yes, sir. You can. So just close this connection. No required. Okay. So just disconnect, sir. Sir, if you want to disconnect this database, just select this one and disconnect it. Okay. So connection option will be then lost here. If you want to connect again, just right click on the connection, connect it. Okay. Then the database will be connected. If you want to disconnect, right click on the connection, disconnect it. That's all. Okay. If I want to create a new connection, what I need to do? I need to click on the plus icon, and here I'm going to create like as in what? Database developer, sir. Okay. The database developer of what? Mahesh. Okay, what is the color, sir? What is the color I need to select, sir? I will go with the blue color. Okay, what is my username? Mahesh is my username. What is my password? Ashokite is my password. Ashokite is my password, sir. Okay, save password here. Leave as it is the host value. Why? Because the database is located in my local machine. That's why I'm going to use localhost. Port number is 1521 and SID is same as an XC. Just go with that and test connection. So see, sir, you got the success. Connect here. So see, sir, now you are connected to what database? Now you are connected to what database, sir? Database developer Mahesh account or not? Sunil Kumar, don't worry about that one. Database schema, service connection, don't worry. You can ignore it as of now for the time being. You just need to habituate, you just need to focus whatever I am saying here on the IDE. Okay. So slowly we will getting into the, slowly you will get to all those details. No worries. Sir, which one I click, sir? Hide all the installations or no? Which one, sir? Okay then. So see here, sir. So I was connected to what account, sir? Database developer account, sir. You can write a query. Select a star from, okay, select a star from EMP, semicolon, select the command, and there is an green button of arrow is there, right? So that is what the thing, sir. So see guys, EMP table information we are getting or not from here? EMP table information we are getting or not? And at the same way, if I want to write one more command, select a star from what? DPT table, sir. Okay, just select that command, okay, and execute it. Department table information we are getting or not, sir? Come on, guys. Sir, in the worksheet, all the word will be the capitals or small. Sir, as I told you, structured query language is a case insensitive programming language. Case insensitive query language, sir. Case insensitive query language. You can write the query either in the capital letters, either you can write in the query in what? Uppercase letters as well. Okay, for example, I am writing the SQL query what? Using capital letters. Using what? Capital letters, sir. Select a star from what? DPT. So just verify whether your query is returning the results or not. Just verify it. So see guys, it is returning or not. Partially, some keywords are writing in the capital letters, some words are writing in what? Lowercase letters. It is giving that results or not. So SQL is not a case sensitive programming, case sensitive language, sir. Case sensitive. It is a case insensitive. Understand? Sir, can we extract the data to the Excel sheets or not, sir? Yes, sir. That will do in upcoming sessions. That will do in upcoming sessions, sir. Can I write some words? Both are, yeah, that's what I show. That's what I shown you, right, Satish? Satish Vardi. So I shown you that, right? Select star from is a capital letters and the table name is in the small letters. If you want write in the select as and the small letters also, you can write it. You can write it, sir. If the select also write in the small letters means you can write it, sir. Query will give you that results. No problem. Okay. Yeah, you can write the SQL queries either in the small case letters or uppercase letters or mixed letters as well. It's up to your wish. Okay. Yeah. Hope you guys are comfortable. How to interact with the Oracle database using GUI tool. GUI tool. Yeah, sir, I will show you how to create the tables. So using command line interface, using GUI tool and using a web page as well. No worries. As of now, you just need to concentrate on what are the different ways to interact with the Oracle database, sir. What are the different ways to interact with the Oracle database? That's all. Okay. Yes, sir. So come on, guys. In approach 3, what you need to do, sir? Okay. So step 1, sir. Step 1. What is that step 1, sir? What is that step 1? Download the download the download the SQL developer software. Download the SQL developer software from the web. Okay, download the SQL developer software from web, sir. Web, that is nothing but from Oracle, so from Oracle Corporation, not from the web, from the Oracle Corporation, sir. Oracle Corporation. Understand, sir? The URL will be what? The URL will be what? Sorry, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. This is what the URL, sir. This is what like as in the URL. Okay. This is what the URL, and the current version is what? The current version is what? 22 point. So what is the current version, sir? 22.2.1, sir. The current version is what? 22.2.1 version. You need to download. Okay. Yeah. That is the step one, sir. Step one. So note. If we required to download the Oracle products, definitely need to have an account with Oracle Corporation, Oracle website. Understand, sir? If you have like as in the Oracle account, then only you are able to download the Oracle products, sir. Okay, what Oracle products we have downloaded so far? So Oracle products, nothing but an Oracle 11G Express Edition. Okay, Oracle 11G Express Edition, sir. Okay, earlier if you want to download this one also, you require to have an account. Okay, and then what you have downloaded, sir? Oracle SQL Developer Tool, sir. Okay, and if you guys wanted to download the Java softwares, so that is also you can download the things from the Oracle website only, sir. Okay, yes. Hope you guys are comfortable or not. Okay. Okay. Up to now. Okay. Fine, sir. Okay. Yes. So what is the step two, sir? So what is the step two? Step two. Okay. Step two. After completion of the downloading, after completion of the download, okay. After completion of the download as a zip file, we need to extract that. Zip file to what? Zip file to what? Normal folder. Normal folder. By using what? Either WinZip software, either WinZip or 7-zip software, sir. Using what? 7-zip software. Okay, that is the second step, sir. Second step is what? Okay, second step is what, sir? Just a minute. Okay, yeah. So WinZip software. Okay, fine. So this is the zip folder, sir. This is the zip folder we got from the Oracle Corporation. Now we just extracted it to what? Normal folder. Okay, normal folder, sir. Okay, yes. That is the step two, sir. Step three. Okay, step three. Step three, sir. What is in the step three? What we did, sir? So open in the switch to, okay, switch to extracted folder. Switch to what? Extracted folder, and click on the following executable file, sir. Click on the following executable file, sir. That is nothing but an what? SQL developer.exe file, sir. Okay, so this, switch to the extracted folder, or switch to, or navigate to, switch or navigate to. Okay, switch or navigate to extracted folder, sir, and click on and choose and click on the following executable file. Okay, okay, and click on the executable file, and will open SQL developer tool, SQL developer tool page, sir. It is going to open what? SQL developer tool page. That's all. Okay. Okay, SQL developer tool page. Okay. So in the left hand side, in the left hand side, we have the two panels. So we have the two panels need to observe, sir. One is what? What is the one panel, sir? What is the one panel we have on the left hand side? Connections panel and the reports panel, sir. Okay, so one is what? Connections panel. So we have the two panels. That is number one, that is connections panel, sir. Connections panel. Number two, that is reports panel. Okay, so and the step, that is what, like as in the observation of the step 3. Okay, coming to the step 4, sir. So what is the step 4? Step 4, sir. We need to create a new connection in what? SQL developer tool, sir. In SQL developer tool, by clicking on plus icon, sir. By clicking on plus icon with a plus icon. Okay, by clicking on green color. Okay, by clicking on what? Green color plus icon, sir. By clicking on what? Green color plus icon, sir. Okay, we need to create like as on the new connection in the SQL developer tool by clicking on what? Green color plus icon, sir. Okay, once you clicked on it, okay, need to provide the below inputs, sir. Need to provide the below inputs. Okay, below inputs, sir. Okay, so what is that one, sir? Connection name, sir. Okay, what is that connection name? So observe carefully, sir. What is the connection name, sir? So just go to the properties and what is the name of the connection, sir? Okay, and the database DBA connection, and given color is what? Given color as what? Red color, sir. Okay, yes, sir. That is the first step, sir. Okay, then what is the next one, sir? Username as a system, and then the next one is what? Password, sir. And then password, sir. What is that? The password, sir? That is manager, sir. Okay, and leave as it is. Host name as an what? Local host, sir. Okay, local host as an what? Host name, sorry, the host name, sir. This is nothing but an what? Host name, sir. Okay, host name as an what? Local host, sir. Okay, then after that, the port number is what? Port number is what? 1521, sir. Okay, and the next one is what? SID, sir. SID. So that is nothing but an express edition, sir. That's all, sir. These are the inputs you have to supply. These are the inputs you have to supply along with the these inputs you have to supply, sir. And host name is by default value, sir. Okay, yes, as it is. Host name and port number and SID, those are nothing but an as it is values you need to follow. And then after that, what you need to do, sir? We need to verify whether the database connection whether the database connection is whether the database connection will be success or not. Just by clicking what? By clicking on what? Test button. That's all. Okay, by clicking on what? Test button, sir. If we are getting the success, then we need to click on what? Another button. We need to click on what? Another button. What is that the button, sir? Connect button, sir. Connect button. Okay, that is what the step 4 we did, sir. Okay, step 5. Okay, we need to we need to write the SQL queries. Okay, we need to write like as in the SQL queries or SQL statements. Okay, by using what? SQL developer tool, sir. SQL developer tool. How can you write the SQL queries or SQL statement by using SQL developer tool? Just right click on, okay, right click on the connection name, okay, under the connections panel, under the right click on the connections panel, okay. So connection panel, what is our connection name, sir? In that case, database administrator, sir. Just right click on what? Database connection, sir, under the connections panel, and then what? Choose an option. Choose an option what? SQL workspace, sir. SQL worksheet. We can say it as in what? SQL worksheet. Just verify that one, sir. Right click on the connection and open a SQL worksheet, sir. Open SQL worksheet. That is the thing, sir. Okay. Once the SQL worksheet got opened, okay, we can write and test our required SQL statements, sir. Our required SQL statements. What are those, sir? As I written, select sysdate, select like as in the sysdate from dual, sir, semicolon. Okay. Yes, this is what the SQL statement. Okay. So how can you execute the query? How can you execute this statement? Executing the above statement, sir. Okay. So select the command, select the entire SQL statement. That is nothing but an what? Control plus A. Control plus A, sir. And Control plus A. And then what, sir? Click on the run button, sir. Click on the run button. So that run button will be there in what? Green color. Okay. Green color on toolbar. On toolbar. Understand, guys? Okay. Yes. So this is what the shown, sir. I shown you. Select this command and there is an option called what? Green button. Okay. This is the one, sir. Clear, sir, up to now? Everyone? How to interact with the Oracle database using a SQL developer tool? That is the GUI tool, sir. That is a GUI tool. Yes. Sir, step 2 is not clear. Step 2 is not clear. Okay. What is that? Yeah, next time onwards, yeah, I will answer your questions, sir. I will answer your questions. No problem. See, guys. Okay. Yes. See here, step 2. What is the step 2, sir? Step 2 is nothing but an whatever the zip file you have downloaded from the Oracle Corporation, that zip file will be extracted by using WinZip software or 7-zip software in your machine, sir. Sir, once you get this zip file, you need to extract, sir. Extract to zip file. Then you will get normal folder. That is what the step 2, sir. Sir, if you want to open the SQL developer from the next time onwards, what you need to do is you can open this one and just right click on it and send it to the desktop, sir. Send it to what? Desktop. Okay. Yes. So now next time onwards, you can access from your desktop. You cannot switch to this kind of navigation. Okay. Hope you guys are comfortable. So how to access the SQL developer from the next step onwards? Next step onwards. Yes, sir. So please run the step 5. Okay, sir. Yeah, I will do that one. Okay, what is the step 5, sir? Step 5 is nothing but an what, sir? So we need to write the SQL queries. So once the connection got created, sir, once the connection got created, okay, once the connection got created, what you need to do, sir? Once the connection got created means you just right click on the connection, sir. Open the SQL worksheet. Once you open that SQL worksheet, You can write the SQL commands from here. That's all, nothing more than that for the step 5. Select star from EMP where you can get employee table information. Okay, yes, okay, fine, sir. Okay, and you can write one more command, select star from DPT. So select this SQL command and run the statement. That's all. You will get this information. This is about step 5, sir. This is about step 5. Okay, sir, SQL developer is not opening, sir. So like, have you followed, Hari Krishna, have you followed my sort of steps? What is the problem you are getting? If you followed my steps, then you won't get any kind of an issue. Yeah. So when you logged with the DBA account, in the DBA account, we do not have that the table, sir. Okay. So we do not have this the table. Okay. So that's why you are getting an issue for that. Under that the DBA, if you observe carefully, under that the DBA account, under that the DBA schema, if you see here, we do not have the table. That's what I need to say. So you are writing in such a way, right? Select star from EMP, sir. Okay. So like under the system account, under the DB account, we do not have the table. We got the table from other schema, which we got from the Oracle database installation. Understand, sir? Under that DBA account of system and manager, you do not have the table. That's why you are getting as in the error message as what? Table or view does not exist, sir. Sir, see, I am just showing you the possibilities, how to connect to the Oracle database. One is a SQL command line prompt, one is a SQL star plus command line interface, another one is web page, another one is a SQL developer tool. So you can connect to the Oracle database in either any one of the approach. It's up to your wish, based on your comfortability. Okay, if you ask me, sir, which approach is better for real-time application development, means I can suggest you the third approach as what? SQL developer, sir. Okay, I will suggest you what, sir? Third approach, sir. So connecting to the Oracle database using SQL developer is the best approach for real-time application development as well, sir. Understand, sir? Once your work got done, you can disconnect the database from the SQL developer. That's all. So just close it. Just close it. It is asking us to save the worksheets or not. Not required, sir. Not required. Okay. Yeah. So cancel it and cancel it. That's all. Not required. Shut down. That's all. This is how we close it, sir. For the next time, so you no need to switch to this extracted folder and open that SQL developer. So we are already sent that shortcut to desktop. Just double click on it and open it. Nothing more than that. Hope you guys are comfortable. Yeah, I shown you that, right? How to reopen that SQL developer as well. Okay. So hope you guys are comfortable. Hope you guys are comfortable so far. Yeah, that's what I showed. That's what I shown you, right? 1 minute. So 1 minute. Someone asked the question, sir, confirm the import preferences. Confirm the, someone shared one image. 1 minute, sir. So Bishwat. Okay, Bishwat. So you shared one image, right? We shared one image. In that screenshot, you need to select as on the no option, sir. Okay. So someone asked the question, what is an advantage of a SQL developer tool versus normal SQL query from the command line, sir? Sir, in the command line, you are manually, you need to write the SQL query, and manually you need to write a SQL commands to create a database objects. All these stuffs you need to create like as in the manual effort. But when you are working with the SQL developer, you can have an option to create a table with GUI objects, graphical objects. Okay. So user interface point of view, as per the user experience and user interface, SQL developer is better, sir. Understand? So graphically, you can see the tables, sir. Graphically, you can see the tables of information here. So see here, I just opened the table and we have the employee table. Select that employee table, sir. Select that employee table. So see, this is what the data, you can have the data here. See, the data is there or not? Data is there or not? So if I want to create a new row for this row, just insert row method will be there. See, the new row method will be creating here. Okay, if you do not want means you can ignore it, no problem. Okay, yeah, fine. Clear? Any doubts? Okay, sir, no problem. Yeah, I'm giving you the unmute option for you guys, whoever wanted to ask the questions. Okay, whoever would like to ask the questions, I'm just giving you the unmute option, sir. Just raise a hand for that. Yes, whoever would like to answer the question, yeah. Roshan, I given you the unmute option for you. Can you go ahead with your question?
Hello, sir. Sir, which approach you are going to teach? I mean, command line or GUI or web application?
Yeah, so good question, sir. So good question. So I will be using the two approaches, sir. CLI interface as well as GUI interface.
Uh,
Okay.
okay, sir.
Yeah,
Yeah.
both approaches you need to habituate for writing the queries.
Yeah, got it. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Any other questions, sir? Yeah. So someone asking the question, sir, show me how to log into the user account in the how to I'm logging as a user account in the SQL command line prompt. Sir, your question is what? How to log in with the user account in the SQL command line, right? Yeah. So let me show you that one, sir. Let me show you that one. Okay. Yes. See here, guys. See here. So just go to the start menu and SQL command line. Just type that command. Okay. Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah, let me close the existing prompt. Okay. Yes, fine. Go to the start menu, SQL command line. Okay. In that you need to use as in the connect. So if you wanted to connect a DBA account, you need to provide the username of DBA account. If you wanted to connect database developer account, you can connect, you just provide the database developer account. So Mahesh account and Ashok IT account. That's all. I'm able to connect with what? Show user. Mahesh account got created. So if I want to connect to the DB account from this at this point, just go for the connect and the system and the manager. Show user. So now I am connected with what? System account. If I want to connect with something Rajesh account means what I need to do? Again, I need to connect Rajesh and then Ashok IT. Okay. So show user account. So see, sir, how can I switch it to multiple accounts or not? Using connect code. Using as in the connect, right or not? Yeah, it is saying that invalid username and password. Okay. So username is you created an user. So can you re-verify? Can you re-verify whether the username is correct or not? Password is correct or not? Either just verify in your keyboard caps lock is on or not. So just verify that one. Yeah. Yeah. 1 minute, sir. I'm going to share you that notes as well with you guys. 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. Oracle notes. Sorry. 1 minute. Okay. Yeah. Mm. Okay. So this is what like as in the link, guys. This is what like as in the GitHub link. Okay. This is what like as in the GitHub link. Okay. Yeah, you can get the notes, sir. Okay. You can get these notes from this link, sir, from the GitHub link. Okay. Yeah. So the next topic will be SQL commands, sir. Okay. DDL commands, DML commands. Okay. Just wanted to highlight that commands, sir. Okay. So then we'll slowly getting into that DB interaction. Okay. Yeah. Thus, I given you unmute option for you. You can ask me your question. Okay, then. That's all for today, guys. That's all for the today. So again, we'll connect back on Monday. So Monday we'll start with what? SQL commands, sir. What is the purpose of DDL commands? What is the purpose of DML commands? What is the purpose of DCL commands? Okay, what is the purpose of TCL commands? What is the purpose of DRL commands? All these are the commands and its purposes we are going to talk on Monday session. Okay, that's all for the today session, guys. Have a nice day. So good night and have a nice weekend. Bye bye.